Hi and welcome back, everybody. Hope you're all having a fantastic day out there as we see the markets absolutely getting smacked. Now, we are seeing cryptocurrencies, the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ICP, these big blue chip cryptocurrencies trading like they are meme coins right now. And there's a stark difference, as I've always told you guys, what is actually happening versus what the mass media is pushing. So in this video, as always, we are Molt Media, not mass media. We will give you the truth. We will talk to you about what I foresee coming, and not just based off what I have to say, what is actually happening from a data and metric standpoint. All I ever ask is if you do like talking about Ripple and XRP, guys, you know what to do. Drop an X, smash the like button, and share the video. Let others around the world know what is truly happening in this digital revolution. As yes, crypto trading like meme coins right now. Man, seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum over 10% down. We saw Ethereum drop to about 19-20% late last night, and US stocks fell sharply here today as global market sell-off is what they are calling it, centered around US recession fears. Now, I know a lot of people out there pushing recession fears. It's much more to it than that, guys. We are seeing things happen in the Middle East that is adding a lot of fear to the market, but I'm going to get into that in just a moment. We saw 1.93 trillion wiped out of the stock market. We saw Japanese stock market, the Japanese stock market plunged 12%. This was the worst day since 1987 Black Monday crash. Now, VIX, which tracks, how badly the market is doing, for the lack of better terms, flew through the roof as people are trading this in speculation that the market is going to get worse. In fact, this was the highest level, the VIX that is, it has hit since 2020, March 2020, which we remember was shortly after Federal Reserve's emergency actions for the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, let's talk about what's truly happening, guys, because I believe this is a bear trap. And I'm going to give you kind of a timeline here. But for those of you who are unfamiliar, when we talk bear trap, we take a look at what the masses are doing, which right now is selling off, versus what is about to happen. Because right now we are seeing Bitcoin ETFs surpass 1.55 billion in trading volume today as it opened up for BlackRock. That happened in the first hour, guys. And with all this happening right now, guys, don't you think interest rates are going to get cut that much sooner? In fact, some are speculating that there could be an emergency meeting this month, August, to get interest rates cut sooner than what we had previously thought here on the channel. September would be the date when they start to do cuts. And so if there is to be a cut this month, of course, the market will react on that, and likely in a very positive way. Now, there is a big difference, a big change in the cryptocurrency investment landscape as far as institutional buys this past week. Now, overall, investors have become less optimistic, obviously, but we saw 528 million outflows in digital asset trading products. Now, why is that important to watch, that data point? Because on the other hand, guys, when we take a look at XRP focused investment products, they stood out notably as an exception. In fact, they attracted over 400,000 new capital according to CoinShares. And this is another week in a row in which XRP has seen inflow. So showing more and more that investors are interested in XRP as a digital asset. And since the beginning of the year, XRP ETPs, exchange trade products, have attracted 21 million in investments. And you say, well, big deal. Well, that is a big deal, guys, because it is institutional investment, institutional interest. And here we see JP Morgan will be accepting XRP, which we know Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan, has said in the past that, Bitcoin is a fraud, is a scheme. But the XRP is to be adopted institutionally and poised for a significant adoption given they get through this SEC case, which is about to finish up. So you can only imagine, guys, we have this influx of capital from institutional interests, but then we get past the SEC case, institutions actually start utilizing XRP like has been the plan all along. We see ODL turn on in a big way in the US. Case is over. Utility starts actually happening on chain with XRP, and we get interest rate cuts, and we have a Ripple stablecoin coming, and a potential XRP ETF happening sooner rather than later. Everything is aligning perfectly. And so that's why on this channel, guys, we will consistently push out the truth, what is coming to you all. Right now, I am buying XRP, not telling you what to do, but I am stacking when it gets to these levels. And we've already seen a little bit of an uptick from this morning's low. So is the bottom in? I don't know. I do kind of anticipate a pretty rough week in general. But what I will tell you right now is my true belief, XRP is the digital asset you want to be in. Don't take it from me. Take it from the whales. We're seeing whale activity like never before, and we are poised for adoption of XRP globally. That's all I got for you for now. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one.